Buzzing bees can be found all over the world. Bees are the biggest group among insects. There are lots of types of bees, from honeybees to bumblebees. They have their own jobs. For example, worker bees protect their beehive from enemies. Also, they find flowers and gather nectar and pollen from them. Queen bees stay busy laying eggs in a big room. All bees live in beehives. However, hot weather can be dangerous for baby bees. So, they have their own ways to keep the hives cool. Do you want to know the ways? Let's move on to the next page.